Here's my kick-ass shower. I have it so I can keep it inside the trailer when I'm traveling and not using it. I put these bolts through the mounting brackets and put them through these anchors that I mounted on the wall, and it just hangs on the wall inside. Here are the bolts. I just welded them through the mounting brackets. On the outside, I added another grab handle, and I welded small aluminum tubes onto the handles. That's where the bolts from the mounting bracket will slide through and hang. So you slide bolts through the handles. And your kick-ass shower is mounted. And that's how it would work. You just tie it down, put it up. It's another great product from Kick-Ass Outback.